Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dough mixer is probably one of the most important kitchen appliances for serious bakers, saving you time and effort in the often arduous process of dough preparation. Whether you're a professional pastry chef crafting delicate croissants or a home baker tackling a rustic sourdough, a reliable dough mixer can elevate your baking game to new heights, ensuring perfectly mixed dough every time and freeing you up to focus on other aspects of your baking process. Number 5. Aucma 6.5 QD Stand Mixer. This powerful kitchen appliance is designed to make baking easier and more enjoyable. Its robust motor and multiple speed settings give you complete control over your mixing. It features a high-performance 660W motor, ensuring efficient mixing. 6 speeds plus a pulse function let you tackle any recipe with ease. The 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl is perfect for large batches. Its convenient handles make it easy to use and clean. The tilt head design allows for easy access to the bowl and attachments. This simplifies the process of changing accessories. It comes with a whisk, dough hook, and mixing beater to handle all your baking needs. A splash guard keeps your kitchen clean. Its sleek red finish and durable construction make it a stylish addition to any kitchen. It's also a perfect gift for any baking enthusiast. We stand behind our products. Contact us anytime with questions or concerns. Enjoy baking with your new Aucma stand mixer. What we like. It boasts a powerful motor and a massive 6.5 QT bowl, easily handling large batches. Its 2-layer paint finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. If you need to make large quantities of dough or are looking for a beautiful and efficient mixer, this is the one for you. What people say. It's super easy to mix my bread doughs and cake batters. My baked goods rise up even better than before and I am absolutely chuffed with the results. What more do you need if you only care about kneading, mixing, and stirring, which this mixer can do easily as good as the more expensive KitchenAid. It is lightweight and easy to move. The suction feet are a plus. It has no problem mixing a double batch of cookies and is easy to clean. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer. It effortlessly mixes thick batters and doughs for all your baking needs. Its powerful motor handles any recipe with ease, from delicate cakes to hearty breads. 7 speeds give you total control, and a helpful guide ensures you always choose the right setting. The slow first speed is perfect for kneading and preventing splattering. The planetary mixing action ensures even mixing in the 4-quart stainless steel bowl. Say goodbye to uneven textures and hello to perfectly mixed ingredients. It comes with a stainless steel bowl, splash guard, dough hook, whisk, and flat beater. Everything is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The built-in handle makes it easy to lift the mixer head and move it for storage. It's designed for both convenience and efficient use of your kitchen space. What we like. This mixer's 7 speeds and helpful mixing guide make baking a breeze. The planetary mixing action ensures even mixing every time. If you are a beginner baker or looking for a user-friendly option with excellent results, this is perfect for you. What people say. It is larger than I expected, but not too large. It is made very well for the price. I was very impressed with the material and sturdiness of the mixing utensils included. I made my first batch of cookies and I was very pleased with the performance. It isn't loud when operating, the section holding it to the counter is great. The beaters do get very close to the bottom. Very easy to use and clean and switch attachments. It has great mixing options and it comes with all the attachments needed. It was the perfect size and looked great in red. Number 3. Zulay Kitchen Dough Blender. This dough blender makes baking easier and faster. Its 5 stainless steel blades effortlessly blend and cut ingredients, requiring minimal effort. With its anti-slip rubber handle, it's comfortable to use, even for those with arthritis. Enjoy effortless blending without hand fatigue. It's made of high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel. The durable construction ensures it will be a reliable baking tool for years to come. Simply toss it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. This time-saving feature makes baking even more enjoyable. Use it to mash avocados, crumble cookies, chop vegetables, or even smash ground beef. The possibilities are endless. What we like. With its comfortable grip and sturdy build, this dough blender makes mixing a joy. It's not just for dough, use it for mashing, chopping, and more. If you value comfort, durability, and versatility in your baking tools, this is a must-have. What people say. It made short work of shredding a chicken breast for enchiladas, compared to the traditional method of using 2 forks. Plus, the chicken was more finely and uniformly shredded. This is a well-built stainless steel pastry blender that has made a difference in the blending of dairy and plant-based butters with flour and other powdered ingredients. It looks like it will last a long time as it's well-built. The item that arrived was exactly as described and shown in the pictures, with no rough spots or dull spots. The metal is thick, sturdy, and securely attached to the handle. Number 2. Kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer. It's small enough to fit in any kitchen, yet powerful enough for all your baking needs. Its lightweight and compact design makes storage a breeze. With its 3.2 QT capacity, it's ideal for smaller kitchens, apartments, or anyone who wants to save space. Multiple colors are available to match your style. The tilt head design makes changing bowls and attachments a snap. Plus, the stainless steel bowl and transparent splash guard are easy to clean. It offers 6 speeds to handle anything from delicate meringues to thick bread dough. The 4 anti-slip suckers keep it steady while mixing. The aluminum dough hook and flat beater, along with the stainless steel whisk, are built to last. Upgraded materials ensure durability and easy cleaning. This mixer makes a wonderful gift for friends and family. We stand behind our product's quality and offer a full after-sales guarantee. What we like. This compact mixer is perfect for small kitchens and budget-conscious bakers. It comes in various colors to match your kitchen style. If you're looking for a space-saving and affordable mixer, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It comes with attachments for bread, mixing and whipping. Very easy to use and clean, and nice looking too. The bowl size is deceiving. It looks smaller, but holds a lot. Very powerful. I really like the speed and it blends very well. It's very light, which is great because I had rotator cuff surgery on my right arm last year and can't lift heavy objects. It mixes very well and gets the job done. Easy to use knobs, easy to clean. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer. This versatile kitchen appliance makes baking and cooking easier than ever. It's powerful enough for any recipe, from delicate cakes to hearty bread dough. Watch as it rotates around the bowl, ensuring thorough mixing and complete coverage. No more unevenly mixed ingredients. It handles even the thickest dough without slowing down, maintaining a consistent speed for perfect results every time. With a dough hook, whisk, and flat beater, it's ready for any mixing task. From kneading bread to whipping cream, it does it all. The stainless steel bowl and removable splash guard are dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. It's built to last for years of reliable use. It offers a wide range of speeds, from gentle folding to high-speed whipping. You'll find the perfect speed for every recipe. What we like. It features a powerful motor that maintains a constant speed even with thick doughs. 7 speeds give you complete control over your mixing. If you need a powerful and versatile mixer for all your baking needs, this is the one for you. What people say. From color to functionality, this mixer doesn't disappoint. It's strong too, which makes it easier to make bread. It's low maintenance and easy to clean too. The Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer has completely transformed the way I bake. It saves a lot of time and it's been a lifesaver for mixing wheat bread dough. The dough hook handles it so effortlessly, making the whole process so much easier and quicker. What really stood out to me is how surprisingly quiet it is, even when tackling heavier mixtures. Works just as well as some of the more expensive models. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.